guys, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Julia. It's time for another vegetarian pasta dish here on the channel in a delicious creamy sauce, some parmesan cheese in and some vegetables. It is really a delicious, nice and easy dinner. So let's get started. I'm just going to boil some spaghetti on the side on my stove, and you just do the same or use another kind of pasta. It doesn't matter what kind of pasta you use, but just follow your package and boil until the pasta is done. On a pan, I'm going to add on some extra virgin olive oil, then in with some chopped yellow bell pepper and some cherry tomatoes, and I've just cut mine in half. In with some chopped red onion, some fresh jalapeno, and some freshly chopped garlic. It's just all about frying this until the tomatoes and the vegetables are really nice, soft, and you have a really nice juicy mix. Then in with some heavy cream, pepper, salt, freshly shredded Parmesan cheese, and just really heat this sauce up. In with some freshly chopped basil. And then last but not least, mix in my pasta. And don't forget to taste your sauce to see if it needs any more salt or pepper. When the pasta is well mixed in, this dish is ready to be served, and I like to serve mine with some fresh basil on top. Enjoy! That was so delicious. Yum, such an easy pasta dish. If you want to give it a go, all the ingredients are down below as always. And don't forget to subscribe here, and I hope to see you guys again soon. Bye!